We'll continue the second example. Stock of stationery. 1st April 2019, 80,000. Creditors of stationery, 90,000. 31st March 2020, stock of stationery is 60,000 and creditors of stationery 1,10,000. These are given in the question. Stationery purchase during the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 4,70,000. Purchase during the year, that is important point. Calculate the amount of stationery consumed. We'll use the same formula, but we will make some changes. What changes we are doing? See the solution. Stationery consumed to 2019-20. Opening stock of stationery 80,000 we are taking from here. Then add purchase during the year. Purchase during the year 4,70,000 directly will take here 4,70,000 and less closing stock of stationery 60,000. We have skipped this creditors. Why? Since stationery purchase during the year is given, so creditors are already adjusted in it. That's why we are not taking the outstanding creditors of previous year and current year. And by using all this or adjusting all this, we will get the 4,90,000 that is stationery consumed debited in income and expenditure account. So this is important point you should remember. Whenever stationery purchase during the year is given, you will not make the adjustments of creditors of stationery, neither opening nor closing. Now question number 3. How will be the following items deal while preparing income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020? Some informations are given. Particulars. 1st April 2019. Stock of medicines 30,000. Creditors for medicines 20,000. Means these are the opening stocks and opening balances. Now come on the last day of the financial year 31st March 2020. The stock of medicines are 5,000. Creditors for medicines 13,000. Advance for medicines or 31st March 2020 13,000. Amount paid for medicines 1,08,000. Amount paid on advance on 31st March 2019 is 2,000. This is a question. Solution is calculation of medicines consumed during the year. We will use the formula and we will adjust all these items one by one. First of all, we'll write the amount paid for medicines during the year 31st March 2020 1,08,000. We are picking the amount from here. Something will be added and some things will be less. What will be the added? First of all, stock of medicines on 1st April 2019 30,000 means this is the opening stock. Then closing stock will be deducted. Stock of medicines on 31st March 2020 that will be deducted here. एडवांस पेड फॉर मेडिसिन ऑन 31st मार्च 2019 मीन्स लास्ट ईयर जो एडवांस है वो इस साल के लिए दिया गया है, इस साल के एक्सपेंसेस है प्लस कर देंगे. और एडवांस पेड फॉर मेडिसिन ऑन 31st मार्च 2020 इस साल के लास्ट में जो एडवांस दिया गया है वो अगले साल के लिए है, इस साल का एक्सपेंसेस नहीं है, वो माइनस कर देंगे. नाउ लास्ट इज क्रेडिटर्स आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑन 31st मार्च 2020 मीन्स इस साल के लास्ट में जो क्रेडिटर्स हैं वो इसी साल की हैं, वो प्लस करेंगे. एंड क्रेडिटर्स आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑन 31st मार्च 2019 वो लास्ट ईयर के क्रेडिटर्स थे, आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस थे, माइनस कर देंगे. नाउ जितनी भी ऐड वाली आइटम्स हैं सबको प्लस करके इसमें ऐड करके हमारे पास आएगा 1,53,000. माइनस करेंगे सारे अमाउंट्स, माइनस किए हुए अमाउंट्स का टोटल है 38,000. इसको हम माइनस करेंगे, फाइनली वी विल गेट द 1,15,000 एंड दिस 1,15,000 इज medicines consumed during the year 2019-20 and again the same process, it will be debited in income and expenditure account. Let's take one last example. Calculate the amount that will be shown against the stationery account in income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2020. Some particulars are given. 1st April 2019, creditors for stationery is 4,600. Stock of stationery 15,000. This will become the opening balances. On 31st March 2020, creditors for stationeries are 11,800. Stock of stationery 30,400. During the year amount paid to the creditors amounted to rupees 56,800. Stationery purchased in cash. This is important point. Stationery purchased in cash during the year was 20% of total purchase, which is missing. So our question will become lengthy. We will solve this question in steps. Solution में step 1 है calculation of credit purchase of stationery. Here we will prepare the creditors for stationery account. We will draw the accounts debit and credit, particulars amount. The opening balance of creditors will be posted in the credit side because these are the liabilities. By balance BD will take the amount from here. Creditors for stationery opening balance 4,600. Then There are some payments made to the creditors during the year 56,800. We'll make the entry creditor to bank and make the posting 56,800. And by stock of stationeries 11,800 is a closing balance. We'll put here balance CD, and this after total making the total of both sides will get the grand total 68,600. We'll get the balance 64,000. We will write here stock of stationery means this is a credit purchase. This is a credit purchase. One line was there in the question. Stationery purchase in cash during the year was 20% of total purchase. That will generate our second step, calculation of cash purchase. The total purchase is X. Cash purchase 20% of total purchase means X by 5 हो जाएगा. Credit purchase will be 80% of total purchase means 80 by 100 X is equal to 4X by 5. We'll create a formula. Cash purchase plus credit purchase will become the total purchase. So we are getting the cash purchase X by 5 plus credit purchase 64,000. We find out from here. We'll put here, and it will be equal to total purchase X. We'll get the value of X by solving all this equation. 64,000 is equal to X minus X by 5. 64,000 is equal to 4X by 5. We will cross multiply and we'll get the 3,20,000 is equal to 4X. X की value आएगी 80,000. That is the total purchase. And total purchase मतलब cash purchase plus credit purchase. And we want to know the cash purchase. Formula will be total purchase minus credit purchase. 80,000 minus 64,000, and the cash purchase will be 16,000. So we have solved the second point also. Now the last step, stationery consumed to be debited to income expenditure account. We want to know by using the same formula. The formula will be opening stock plus total purchase during the year. Total purchase during the year minus closing stock. Opening stock is 15,000 given in the question. Total purchase we find out from here 80,000 minus closing stock, that is also given in the question. Stock of stationery 30,400. So we will get by deducting plussing all the things 64,600, and that will be debited to income and expenditure accounts. So in this way we have studied the treatment of consumable items. You have to do a lot of practice, and that is an important question. Thank you.